in my house.
Huh?
Turn around. Moose man. Ah, God.
Watch out. The moose on the loose. Watch out.
This is totally going on YouTube. Moose man. Moose man. Moose man. Ah, you stole my dog.
You alright?
Brian, are you coming?
Moose man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you found it. Or is that it?
That's it.
I don't have socks. I need socks. Use your wool socks. Here, I'll take the tag off. I can't get it off.
Make a really weird face. Do it. Make a really weird face. Put your moose hat back on.
No, I'm not gonna put the moose hat on.
Bye.
Socks.